question 4 says, if P344 base 6 minus 23P2 base 6 equals to 2PP2 base 6, find the value of the digit P. So we are going to look for P. So first thing to do is to convert everything to what? Base 10. That's what we have been doing since base 10. So you bring down all these P3 and all of them, bring it down. Then number it as I told you earlier before. Changing to base 10, the number starting from the unit, which is 4, followed by the next 4, which is tens, followed by 3, which is what? 100, followed by P, which is what? 1000. That's why we have 0, 1, 2. You are advised to start from the unit, please. Then you do the same thing to 3, 2, 3P, 2, which is started from 0, 1, 2, 1. Then we come over to equals to, which is 2PP, 2 base 6. We do the same thing. So after that, we now multiply. You know how we used to do the multiplication. Now, the multiplication comes like this, which is P times 6 raised to power 3 plus 3 times 6 raised to power 2 plus 4 times 6. This 6 that they are multiplying is the base. The one that is on top is those number that you put on top, that those units, you start from unit, that's 0, 1, 2, that's where you get. So if 2 is standing on top of 3, so you are going to do 3 times 6 raised to power 2. If 1 is starting on top of 4, that means 4 times 6 raised to power 1. The same thing, 4 times 6 raised to power 0 minus 2 times 6 raised to power 2 plus 3 times 6 raised to power 2 plus P times 6 raised to power 1 plus 2 times 6 raised to power 0. Come over to equals to. You do the same thing, which is 2 times 6 raised to power 3 plus P times 6 raised to power 2 plus P times 6 raised to power 1 plus 2 times 6 raised to power 0. So we multiply out. So we have that P times 6 raised to power 3 means 6 times 6 times 6. That's 6 into 3. 6 times 6 times 6 is going to give us 200. This 200 and the 16. Then plus 3 times 6 raised to power 2 means 6 raised to power 2 means 6 times 6, which is 36, plus 4 times 6 raised to power 1 is going to give us 6. So that's why we have 4 times 6 plus 4 times 6 raised to power 0. 6 raised to power 0 is going to give us 1. That's why we have 4 times 1 minus 2 times 6 raised to power 3, which is 216, plus 3 times 6 raised to power 2. 6 raised to power 2, which is 6 times 6, that's 6, plus P times 6 raised to power 1, which is going to give us 6, plus 2 times 6 raised to power 0, which is going to give us 1. 6 raised to power 0 upon 2 times 1 equals to 2 times 6 raised to power 3 is going to give us 216, plus P times 6 raised to power 2 is going to give us P times 36, because 6 raised to power 2 means 6 times 6, which is 36, plus P times 6 raised to power 1. 6 raised to power 1 is going to give us 6. So that's why we have P times 6. 2 times 6 raised to power 0, which is 6 raised to power 0 is going to give us 1. That's why we have 2 times 1. Now, this is where we multiply out. P times 216 is going to give us P 216 plus 3 times 36 is going to give us 108 plus 4 times 6 is going to give us 24 plus 4 times 1 is going to give us 4. Bring down the minus sign. 2 times 216 is going to give us 432 plus 3 times 36 is going to give us 108 plus P times 6 is going to give us 6P plus 2 times 1 is going to give us 2 equals to 2 times 216 is going to give us 432 plus P times 36 is going to give us 36P plus P times 6 is going to give us 6P plus 2 times 1 is going to give us 2. open the bracket. Now when we open the bracket now, see what we have. So we are going to we have two number before equals to, which is this minus this. So that minus, you do everything, you bracket it so that you can be able to evaluate, open the bracket, and then you continue. So since as we open, we have bracket everything, we are going to open the bracket now. So for us to open the bracket, we'll bring down the first value without applying anything. This is the first value. Let's bring it down. Then the second value now, which is this, the one that you have, the one that you are seeing in front of minus. This minus now that you are seeing is going to open this bracket. Now let's watch and see. Minus times 542 is going to give us minus 542. Minus times plus. After 542, minus times plus is going to give us minus times plus is minus. So that's why we have minus 6p equals to 434 plus it bring down these ones, 434 plus 4p, collect item. So just mark these numbers and see. We have 216p, we have minus 6p. So we are going to bring 216p and the minus 6p, then plus 1236 minus 542, what we are going to bring together. Then after that, we cross 42p to this 216p and the minus 46p. Then what we get in this 136 minus 542, we cross it over to 434. That's what we call collection of items. And just watch and see where we do it. Now do you see it here? So after collecting this first one, which I told you, which is 216p minus 6p plus 136 minus 542, then it still repeated the carry over those remaining number, which is under equals to. Then after doing this one, 216p minus 6p is going to give us 210p. This 136 minus 542 is going to give us minus 406. Then you bring down this 434 and the 42p, you do collect items again. Then when you collect item, which is 210p, this plus 4p will now leave we now cross the bracket to meet his colleague. Then when it's positive, when he crosses the bracket, now become what? Positive. That is the positive that you are seeing now in front of this. Now become negative. Now then 434. This 406 is negative. It will cross, and when it cross, it becomes what? Positive. That's why you are saying 434 plus 406. Then you now subtract and add. 110p minus 442p is going to give us 168p. Then 438 plus 406 is going to give us 48. Now we are looking for p, and for us to look for p, this 168 will cross the equal sign and become for division. That's why we have 840 divided by 168, and our final answer is p, which is what? 5. This is where we are going to stop for today. Please do well to like, share, and follow us for more videos, because if you jam bite or if you are prepared for UTME, all the questions in both physics and maths will be dropped here. If possible, I will add English. So please invite your friends. If you want to have a personal class with me, there's a phone number, which is my WhatsApp number, in front of the my video, the advert video before this teaching. Do well to contact me. See you next time and have a nice day.